Good morning, Edeba Ghana.
Rich, good evening. Good evening.
Sir Bibiaboko, our South Korea.
Oh, Nyamiadon Bibi Aboko, Siana. If you training about the Drew Blast Pass Hotel.
Okay. Minim so ba me team news kakra but minim say every Ghanaian bia otie show ina no pay ebe pese obeti bibi e de free yenua Francis Abu ni injury no. Say around the situation no at saying our Air South Korea na Air Japan kurum ho.
The latest on Abu and say Ghana for United Empire Botana Chino. What me I and surgery no come na kakra wo say according to Dr. Pombo no na I was in surgery no it lasted 90 minutes. But they realize that within the process no more you know. Na Abu bones to no adding. And also say a book or 90 books are na omo drille or bones ni mu na omo the screws emiemie mu nti omo drille no omo say branch the bones ni mu edin nti surgery na was taking 19 minutes no they ended up spending 5 hours and sana omo eyewie but nyame ya adom ama omo aye surgery na ewie kama sɛ na medical ya abɔ mo nkɔmmɔ no aberanteɛ no bɛtwɛn 1 week ɛwɔ Japan sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo ɛbɛyɛ further monitoring no ɔmo assess no kama ansa na by 1 week time no so ɔmo hwɛ na sɛ biribiara kɔ yie a na yɛafly aberanteɛ no ɛkɔ France na ne clap loose akɔtoa so with the rehab no so that is the latest on Abu. The other one nso so ɛne sɛ there's refreshing news. Unse onyan injury no about for say aberanteɛ no ɔbɛmisi the World Cup. Ɛma ne club to lose to cry a story on their website confirming say aberanteɛ no will miss the World Cup. According to the medical team no ɔmo consult Toulouse for medical team no say saa information no ebi misleading. Emma doctor need you to say there was a miscommunication between Omo and Omo club and communications, you know. And this work our CC Ampa story now has been edited. The good news and it's according to Dr. Pambo Muno, Sebibia Kosenia was a qua Yenya Francis Abu should be back playing in the next 4 months, which means and it's me affording the time enough. Say Blasters be call for the World Cup no say na oya available na or form na bibi akoya obetimi ameki the squad obetimi e dey World Cup no.
Oh, that's a very good news because na yinina no time it is so we be a brand no crown the season abane we na ha adwen pa but 4 months there I'm say a good news adema Ghana ni bia ene ono abrante ɛyɛ Francis Abu no nti yɛda ase for ɛyɛ Francis Abu sɛ ɔno nso atimi ayɛ surgery no kama pa. Now to ɛyɛ camp news kakra ɔna ɔbɛn team no yɛatete sɛ players bi te sɛ Antoine Semenyonom ɛne Salisu Mohammed ahead of ɔkyena game ɛne South Korea ɛbɔ no ɔmo afri camp adan deɛ na ɛkɔ so nti a ɔmo afiri hɔ ne biribi a pɛ so ɔde ma bia from camp no na ka ne nyinaa fa bom na ɛfa man.
Oh, okay, no correct. So much is ye free Japan about Korea no. Yeah, but no, and ye ne Mohamed Salisu and Antoine Semenyo and by again. So Obeka na medical country say ye game against Japan. Mohamed Salisu and Mobi cry because initially we come no na abante na complaining say when ya injury be. I want to know, and on absence in the game against Japan. Antoine Semenyo there, he was okay, but no, so there was some nagging injury on who. The arrangements are Coach Otuado and Semenyo here before pa o 2 to free UK aba was that because of sa nagging injury one who you know. only the Japan game and on to also embo the South Korea match. Into injury and my boat Mohamed Salisu and Antoine Semenyo and young Kabla last team now. But Japan. Now, frame for no say me catch say after na ya be arrive back Mayfield Hotel. You call Blasters training. This time around the training, no. This is the second training session I was South Korea. First one was Korea FA facility. In fact, I was Ghana and Pram. But the Korea is here and the Korea and Match Day Stadium, which is the Korea World Cup Stadium. Baby, I'm hosting the finals and the opening ceremony for Korea Japan 2022. No, and Blasters Korea training and was Yaba Ravi Team Hotel. All the other team members in the Obia training come. Somebody be anywhere. Before that, in the call press conference, I made home videos in I am see us and yeah, listeners and viewers even the their call so press conference and then said Coach Utuado say or expect it. Say the way any Japan boy, any different beer from the Korea for no bono money and the bono. Omobe pressing, omobe DB tremika, omo aggressive. And the lessons are you learning from Japan game, or heard the most players in the bay implemented against Korea. Now, and then I did to a press conference, and my information be out of one. I mean, which Ubeji said in the young life of Abranti FN song, of free Korea could Europe. The first club of boy, which was Hamburg. I'm na Coach Otuado, and the youth team coach. I'm a now the two Korea president him say Omo Empa song with Chaumano say Oba for not on said playing time because the language barrier no on South Korea for Kasa and a song so by no on German and see now on it song ebu come through another player they are not say South Korea for Kasa and see that language barrier and ma on tini and my song and to tactics in normal say it delayed the way or best start your board game, but then you will grow to become the player now. What me I grow no. Emma told him poke consider to press conference. Then him say, "Oh, hope you say Ghana ye fouls around your box because on him say, I had a song. Was sad no. Ni mujam say baby obejina bi ultimate but nice free kick. Share any identity. Yeah. Have a very very nice press conference. Apart from Abranti FN Kamadin Suleiman and a choir on the player side. I'm also the two that the way I game the choir against Japan. Yeah, I expecting say this game will be a very very tough and difficult game. But the players, I already said I'm will be a very very nice game. And Omukoye train narration and America say I walk home and some kitwa. And then you may ask at the time I could train. Na 4 degrees. Na in we will be doing -4 degrees at the time I'm at the
Hello.
Yeah, Rich.
Na o kasa wo ho.
I want to
me kra wo kasa mo ba.
-4. On se kasa no kan se na me.
Yeah, me tumi sa awodo pa.
Awo woman kasa.
I see. Yenya na akoswa edi eye team na chim no se nyame ya adom ochena na etena se ye be fro kra ansa na ye ne Korea game no enso etimi abaso nti monkoso na momo adwuma emfa ema ayo oman Ghana na ka che players no se ye mpa ebota omachi for nyame ya adom ochena game no
Rich, my social media for now to say I'm monitor a platform or I'll be sending videos any normal business as in a or meet with actually a for the for.
No problem. Yeah, that's a pa best man ko usu ben pa yala. What den papa uti ni kazema. wotumi sɛ awɔde no broni kurom no no all right yɛntoa so yi na yɛnni the Ghana